Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today, we will be learning Lesson 11, Jacob's Ladder, and how to talk about daily activities and routines in English. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Grow up. Grow up. The little boy grew up to become a businessman. Grow up. Lay down. Lay down. He laid down on the ground. Lay down. Rest. Rest. The man is resting in a hammock. Rest. Under. Under. He is resting under the tree. Under. Dream. Dream. The boy is dreaming about becoming an astronaut. Dream. Angels. Angels. Angels come from God to help us. Angels. Moving. Moving. Dancing, running, and walking are all ways to move your body. Moving. Look after. Look after. The woman is looking after her grandmother. Look after. Ladder. Ladder. The ladder helps us to reach high places. Ladder. Consumed. Consumed. The man is consumed by too much work. Consumed. Compassion. Compassion. Have compassion for people who need help. Compassion. Faithfulness. Faithfulness. Even after his owner died, the dog showed faithfulness and never left him. Faithfulness. Great job. Let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Lamentations, chapter 3, verse 22 and 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Let's read this again. Lamentations, chapter 3, verse 22 and 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Great job. Now let's read My Precious Book together. Are you ready? My Precious Book, page 21. When Isaac grew up, he married Rebekah and had a son named Jacob. One day, Jacob was tired after walking about, so he laid down to rest under a tree. He dreamed that many angels were moving between heaven and earth. Then God said to Jacob, "I will surely look after you." What did Jacob see moving on the ladder in his dream? We can learn 3 important points from our power verse and my precious book. Number 1, God can speak to us like he spoke to Isaac and Jacob. God looks after us because he cares about us. God is faithful and gives us love and compassion every day. Great job. Let's practice our new English vocabulary words. These words are about daily activities and routines. Are you ready? Wake up. Wake up. In the morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Wake up. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. After I wake up, I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Wash my face. After I brush my teeth, I wash my face. Wash my face. Take a shower. Take a shower. In the morning, I also like to take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. After I take a shower, I get dressed. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Every morning, I eat breakfast before I go to school. Eat breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. After I eat breakfast, I go to school. Go to school. Go to work. Go to work. When I go to school, my mom and dad go to work. Go to work. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. I eat lunch with my friends at 12 o'clock. Eat lunch. Go home. Go home. After school, I go home. Go home. Take a nap. Take a nap. After school, I like to take a short nap. Take a nap. Do my homework. Do my homework. I do my homework after school. Do my homework. Eat dinner. Eat dinner. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. Eat dinner. Go to bed. Go to bed. At night, I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Go to bed. Read a book. Read a book. Sometimes I like to read a book. Read a book. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. Sometimes I also like to watch a movie with my friends. Watch a movie. Play on my phone. Play on my phone. Before I go to bed, I like to play on my phone. Play on my phone. Play with my friends. Play with my friends. In the afternoon, I like to play with my friends. Play with my friends. Every day I. Every day I. For example, every day I wash my face and brush my teeth. I also eat dinner and play with my friends. Every day I. Let's practice some English grammar of how to talk about the things you do every day. We use the word on before the day. For example, on Monday. Then we say I action. For example, I wash my face. Then we use at or in to express time. For example, in the afternoon at 3 o'clock. Let's try some examples together. On Sunday, I wake up at 7 o'clock. On Monday, I go to school at 7:30. On Tuesday, I play with my friends in the afternoon. On Wednesday, I read a book in the morning. On Thursday, I do my homework at 4 o'clock. On Friday, I eat dinner at 6 o'clock. On Saturday, I take a nap in the evening. Great job! Let's practice our dialogue now together. Lesson 11, Dialogue. Students, what do you do before you come to school? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I eat breakfast and go to school. I wake up at 6:15. I take a shower and get dressed. Then I eat breakfast and brush my teeth. Mary, what are you doing tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. On Wednesday, I have English class at 2 o'clock. What about you? On Wednesdays, I play with my friends after school. What do you do on Friday? On Friday, I like to take a nap before I do my homework. After I do my homework, I like to watch a movie or play on my phone. On Friday, I like to read a book and listen to music before I go to sleep. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words and how to talk about your daily activities and routine in English. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!